Hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video you will learn how to convert an old hard copy of a document into a fresh using Microsoft Word. For example, this is a picture of an old document which contains dots, scratches, etc. and I want to convert this to a fresh document using Microsoft Word. For this purpose, first you need to open up a new document in Microsoft Word and then come to Insert tab, and from the Insert tab to Picture tab, and then this device. So I have saved the JPG of the document at this position and I want to import this over here. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this icon and choose the in front of text option. Once done, then I have to resize the document to the size of the page, clicking on it and dragging this up. Similarly, dragging this to the right of the page, to the left of the page, and dragging it down to the bottom of the page. Okay, with that done, click on the picture format and then on the accessibility tab, this window opens up and you have to click on the fourth option, picture. Here I have to click on picture correction and change the numbers over here. I want to change the sharpness to 50, the brightness to 50, and I want to change the contrast to -10. You can adjust these numbers according to your own requirement. Now you see that most of the dots and scratches has been removed. However, I can further modify it by coming to picture transparency, and I keep this exactly at the 0 level, which is already at the 0 level. So this now looks a little better. I can further remove the dots by coming to Insert tab, then to Shapes, and in the Shapes I select the rectangle from here and I draw a rectangle at this position. I resize this so that, and I change this a little up, and now I come again to shape format and then I come to shape fill and I add white option. Then I come to shape outline and select no outline. I can click on this by pressing Ctrl D. I duplicate this and then drag this to this position. Here I want to adjust this once more. And I duplicate this once more and drag it to this dot. So now all the dots are removed and the picture looks as a fresh. Now you can save the soft copy in a folder of your choice, and I want to save this right over here. So the picture is saved.